today we're going to be going over our vowels. And before we go over them, let's just look at some of our key words. Are these short vowels or are these long vowels? We have A, apple, E, what's this one?
A.
Good.
I. H.
Very good.
O.
Octopus.
U. Up.
Up, very good. So I have apple, ed, itch, octopus, up. What kind of vowels are those? Are those short vowel sounds or long vowel sounds?
Short.
Short vowel sounds, very good. So these are our short vowel sounds. How did you know that these were short vowels and not long vowels? How did you know these were short and not long? Well, this one says apple, right? But if we had the word ape, what's the difference between apple and ape? What's the difference? This one's saying what? It's on what? Ape.
Ape.
Apple. What letter is that?
A.
A. And what sound does it make?
A.
And apple, but ape says A. This one's saying its own name. What is it saying?
Its own name.
Very good. So ape is saying its own name. This one happens to be a long vowel sound. So our long vowels say its own name. What do our long vowels do?
Say our own name.
Very good. Long vowels say its own name. Does this one say its own name?
No.
What sound does that make?
A.
Very good. So these are all short vowel sounds. I'm going to give you a word. Eyes here. I'm going to give you a word, and you are going to point to the letter that matches the short vowel sound in the word. You ready?
Yeah.
Cool. So my word is elephant. Say the word first.
Elephant.
Elephant. What vowel sound do you hear? E. Can you make the E short E sound for me?
A.
Very good. I'm thinking of another word, and the word is ice. I said I. Is that short or is that long?
Short.
I said I. Is that short or long?
Long.
It's long, right? I tried to check you. Good. I'm thinking of another word, and the word is pop. Say the word first.
Pop.
Pop. What short vowel sound? What's the short vowel sound? Very good. What sound did you hear? Ah, very good. I'm thinking of another word, and the word is ed.
Ed.
The word's ed.
Ed.
Good. What sound? Give me the vowel sound in the beginning.
Ed.
Ed. Very good. Next word is up. What sound does I make? Let's look at our keywords. I said up.
Up.
You. Very good. Good job fixing it. Good job. Now we're going to go to our worksheet, and we get to circle the short A vowel sounds. What are we circling?
Short A vowels.
Good. Short A vowel sounds. So short A, remind me again, what's the sound that I'm looking for in short A? I see you pointed to apple. The apple does make the short A sound, but what's the sound of the short A? Short A says? Ah. Good, like apple. So go ahead and put a circle around it since you already went and found that one. Very good. Let's see if the next picture is a short A. Get ready. Do you know what that is? What's this a picture of?
States.
Yes, this is all the states. And all together it creates the what?
The
Begins with an M. Need a clue?
yeah.
Okay, it's something that we look at. It's the
Map.
map. Very good. Sit up nice and tall. Map. So let's say that word together. Get ready, go. Map. We're saying ah. What word is, what letter?
M.
Yes, that's the beginning sound. But what's the vowel? Is it saying a or a? Say the word again. A. Is that short vowel or long vowel?
Long.
Is it saying a? A. Is that what we said?
No.
So then it's what? Look back at your keywords. What sound?
Apple.
I'm looking for a. What sound?
A.
Does this say a?
It's short.
It's short. Very good. So circle it, because remember, we're looking for all of the short a sounds. Very good. What's that a picture of?
Grapes.
Grapes. Look at me. I'm going to say the word. Ready? Look at me. Eyes on me. Grapes.
Grapes.
Good. I said a. Is that the same short vowel sound as apple?
Yeah.
Watch me. A. I'm looking for the a sound. Do we say grapes?
No.
No, we say grapes, right? It's saying its own name. It's saying the a. So that means it's long. Go ahead and put an X through that. Okay, I'm going to let you circle the rest on your own. We'll say the pictures together. You'll circle it if it says short A sound, but you'll put an X through it just like we did on grapes for the long A. Look at me so we can practice the sound. Ready? Short A. What does it say?
Short A.
What does it say? What's the sound? Use your keyword if you need. What's the sound? You got it. Very good. The sound is a. So I'm only looking for the words that have the a. Look at me. A sound in it. Okay? This is a what?
Sand.
There's sand in it. Yes, you're right. What do we carry the sand in?
A bucket.
A bucket. Do you know another word for bucket? Begins with a P. You think you know?
No.
All right. It's a pail. Say that word for me.
Pail.
Sit up nice and tall. Pail. Good. Do we say a?
No.
So what should we do with this? It's not a short vowel sound. Very good. What about this one? What is that?
Cap.
Okay, cap or a hat. Are we saying a?
Yes.
Yes, we are. Go ahead. And what should we do if it?
Circle.
Circle it. Very good. What about this? What's this?
Lamb.
What'd you say? Speak a little louder. Lamb?
Yeah.
Okay. Lamb.
Lamb.
Are we saying the a sound? Lamb.
Yes.
Yes, we are. So go ahead and give me the symbol. Good. What about this one?
Cake.
Cake. Are we saying ak, or do we say a? And it's saying its own name.
Cake.
It's saying the what? Short or long?
Short.
What sound? What sound? You say k. Let's tap it out. A.
Cake.
Let's try that again. You gave me a P at the end. A. One more time. A. What's the word? Cake. Don't forget that K sound. Look at me. Don't forget the K sound. Ache.
Okay.
Try it again. Go ahead.
Egg.
Very good. You didn't forget it this time. So this is saying A. Is that the sound we're looking for?
No.
No. So go ahead and cross it out. What's the sound we're looking for?
Short A and short long A.
Right. We're looking for short A though. Those are the ones we're going to circle. And what sound does short A say? Look at your keyword again. Right. Go ahead. Who's that? That's a what? Is it a girl?
No.
It's a what? Begins with an M.
Man.
Man. Let's tap it out so we can see if we hear the short A sound. Ready? Go. And man. Short or long A? Does it say A?
No.
So it doesn't say its own name, so that means it's what?
Long.
Freeze. Look at me. Long vowels do say their name. Does this one say A? Do we say ain?
No.
No, so that means it's a short vowel. Good. I'm going to give you a chance now. You're going to take your vowel worksheet and we're going to start to add to this worksheet. Remember, when we look at me, when we're using the scissors, you're not looking at me. That means you're not going to be safe. When we're using our scissors, we need to make sure our fingers are inside and that we're never sticking anything inside besides the paper. Okay? So you're going to cut out the pictures that we circled that are short A. These pictures are what?
Short A.
And only the circle ones that represent a short A sound are you going to glue onto your paper. So go ahead and start. And we have some extra bonus ones down here, so if you want to give those a try, you can too. So tell me again. Look at me. Look at me. Eyes on me. What are we doing?
Short A.
Short A from where?
Short A and long A.
Very good. But what are we doing with this piece of paper?
Cutting it and put it on these words.
Very good. We didn't do the rest of the vowels, so we're only focusing on which one?
A.
Very good. Are we going to cut out the ones with the necks?
Yeah.
Are we going to put them here?
No.
No, right? So we don't need to even worry about cutting them out. We're only looking for short A sounds, okay? What's the first one that you want to cut out?
Apple.
Apple, okay. Good job making sure that only the paper is in between the scissors. What do you think about them? Very good. Very good. We can cut off this extra piece so we have enough room too. Very good. So we're going to glue that where? A, E, I, O, or U?
A.
Very good. Go ahead and put some glue on the back or the paper. That's fine, sir. Good job. Maybe a little bit later when we're finished with our A's, you can get a chance to color them, okay? Good. What's another short A that you would like to cut out? What's that a picture of?
Map.
Nap. Ah, very good. Go ahead. Scissors ready. Good job, so far. Move your fingers. All right. So we have a picture of the map. Thank you. All right, go ahead and glue. We need one more and then we're all done. Very good. Focus on yourself. Good. So we have map. One more. Which one would you like to cut out? One more short A sound. What's that a picture of? What did we say? What is the picture of?
Oh,
What's this?
A.
Good. Put it together. And what words do you have?
Cat.
Cat. Go ahead and cut out the picture of the cat. 1 second. Let's move the paper out of my way. Very good. Go ahead and glue that one. Now I'm going to put your papers to the side. Very good. So we're going to go over, you go ahead and put your tap on that, and we're going to go over the short A sound. All right, you ready? So we went over short A sound. Short A makes it sound like like what word? What word? Same thing here. So you look here or here. What word? There's a picture of a what?
Apple.
Apple. So short A like apple. You go ahead and try it.
Apple.
I want you to say the whole thing, okay? Short A like apple. Your turn.
Short A like apple.
Very good. Short A like map.
Short A like map.
Very good. Last one. Short A like hat.
Short A like hat.
Hat. Very good. So that was our short A. Tomorrow we're going to do short E, okay?
Okay.
All right.